Hello there guys, today we're gonna show you how to make a healthy breakfast. Okay, we have some olive oil there on a hot skillet. We're gonna add some fresh bell peppers, some fresh onions. This is like 1/4 of a cup of each vegetable. This is usually for like 2 people, a good amount for 2 people. Then we're gonna add some fajita seasoning. Fajita seasoning, you get that at the store, one of your local stores. It blends in perfectly with the vegetables, and some garlic salt just to give it a little bit of a taste. Okay, and we'll just wait for a little bit for the vegetables to saute. We're gonna try to cook them al dente, soft and crispy. Once they're cooked, we add the eggs. That's up to you guys, however you guys want your eggs. We usually eat it with some egg whites only, but like I said, this is a recipe that you can make at home, and you can make it at your own like, depends on how you like the eggs, but this is a really healthy breakfast, guys, so I really recommend this for those people that are on a keto diet. This can be a really good healthy breakfast. Then we're gonna add some jack cheese on top of it. We're gonna let the cheese melt a little bit, and I guess it's ready, guys. I mean, we're just gonna put it on our plate. We're gonna decorate it nice and neat, and I hope you guys like it. If you like it, you try my recipe, just don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and we'll see you on our next video. This is our final result. Thank you for watching, guys.